you. Don't think I'm talking to the right you. I thought I knew you. I guess I didn't. I thought I knew you. But baby, I guess I didn't. I thought you was down for real. Thought you would stick around for real.
Tell me why you let me come inside for you. Never mind, you were never mine for real. Hit my line, I'ma hit decline for real. I ain't trying for a second time for real now. Oh, honestly, I think this shit excites you. All that drama that you're tied to, yeah. You play the victim every time too. That shit came back and hit your trust too.
I thought I knew you. I guess I didn't. I thought I knew you. But baby, I guess I didn't. I thought you was down for real. Thought you would stick around for real. Hey yo, as the world turns, the blunt burns. Watch them cunts learn. Fashion icon Audrey Hepburn. I move keys, but you hoes get one turn. Yeah, you get one turn and one earn. I straighten all these bitches out with one perm. Whoever gassed them ain't none of my concern. But see, the Lord showed me dreams to confirm. They done went to witch doctors to bury the Barbie, but I double back, kill bitches, bury the body. And that go for anybody, you'll be thoroughly sorry. I could wage war or I come in peace like Gandhi. All my powers back now, I'm scary to zombies. Bring the heat to a sizzle, I ain't talking Kalanji. I done fasted and prayed, had to cleanse my body. Abstaining from sex, had to zen my body. I ain't giving, so don't ask, I don't lend my body. Gotta be king status to give men my body. He gotta be king status to get in your body. Fuck yeah, cause a queen is what I embody. Ganja burn, ganja burn, ganja burn. Ganja burn, ganja burn, ganja burn. Every time I get high, I just think about you. Every time I get high, I just think about you. Every time I get high, I just think about you. Every time I get high, I just think about you. Ganja burn, ganja burn, ganja burn. Ganja burn, ganja burn, ganja burn. Yo, you can't wear Nicki wig and then be Nicki. That's like a fat nigga thinking he could be Biggie. One rough ride, now you DMX and Swizzy. One hot video, you hype, now you just giddy. You made one dope beat, now you Kanye. You got a nigga named Jay, now you Beyonce. You got about 3 stacks, now you Andre. You put a part in your fade, and you Nas, bae. You gotta have real skill, gotta work for that. If it's really your passion, would you get the world for that? Unlike a lot of these hoes, whether whack or lit, at least I could say I wrote every rap I spit. Put my blood, sweat, and tears in perfecting my craft. Still every team's #1 pick in the draft. You could bring anybody, weatherman, pick a day. I'm Kobe, KD, Kyrie, pick a K. Pick a K, pick a K, pick a K, pick a K, pick a K. Ganja burn,